Welcome to Miss Duncan's Little Learners YouTube channel. Today we're going to be exploring science. We're going to be exploring light. Let there be light and shadows. So, what we'll be exploring this week in science is working with shadows. We're talking about light, both artificial light, like a flashlight, or the lights you see above you in a room or in your house, like in our classroom, and natural light like the sun as well. So I have some ideas for you to help your child explore shadows at home. We'll be exploring shadows in the classroom, but you can explore shadows at home too. So if you know where a flashlight is in your house, I want you to pause the video and go get it right now. Ready? Pause. Or just stay with me. Welcome back. I have a small flashlight, and these are the ones we're using in the classroom. What I'd like you to do is experiment by shining your flashlight, through different kinds of objects and talk about how the shadow is different. Do you see color in the shadow? Is the shadow dark black? Is it light? Is it gray? What happens to the shadow when you move the object around? What happens when you move the light around? We'll continue talking about this week, and next week we'll do some exploration with the sun and the shadows it makes as well. I should have another video on that this week too. All right, let's try it. So first, turn your flashlight on. Find a couple objects around your house, maybe one that is clear, one that is clear but perhaps with a tint. These are from a marble set. Maybe a toy. This one's a little bit clear, but just a little toy. Sunglasses are fun to use because you can shine it through the lenses. And then maybe something that is completely solid where you know no light will be able to pass through. And explore. So what do you think will happen if I shine the light on this object that's yellow and a little bit translucent? What do you think? Will the shadow be black? Will the shadow be yellow? Will the shadow be orange, green, blue? Make a guess. Got it? Now, let's find out if your hypothesis is correct. Oh, take a look at that shadow. Is it black? Is it green? Is it blue? Orange? No, it's yellow, just like the object itself. The light is passing through and therefore gathering a little bit of that color on the way through. Pretty cool, right? Let's try another object. What might happen if we take one that's blue and a little bit translucent? What do you think? What will the shadow look like this time? Orange, purple, black, gray? I bet you already know. Let's try it. Oh, look at that. It's blue, just like the object. How cool is that? Hopefully you can find something just as cool at your house. Now, I thought this would be cool to use my sunglasses, so let's see what happens when we shine it through the lens. Whoa, I can see the edges are a little bit darker and the middle isn't quite as dark. So that's kind of cool, a little different. So I can see the light is passing through the middle, but it's not able to pass through the edges. Interesting. I'll have to write this down in my science notebook later. Let's try something that's completely translucent. Now, I have to be honest with you, it's not clean. There's some water drops on it, so that might cause our shadow to look a little different. So let's check it out. Oh, you see those water drops? Yeah, it's not quite clean. If you use a clean piece of glass, perhaps, maybe, you'll have a totally translucent, clear shadow. Pretty neat, right? Now, what might happen if we use something that's completely opaque, completely solid? What color will the shadow be? Well, it doesn't look like any light's passing through. It seems like the shadow's black. Wow, I love exploring, moving the flashlight closer and further away to see what happens to the shadow. You can move the actual object closer or further away to see what happens to the shadow. What happens as you move it closer? What happens as you move it further away? Talk about it. I hope you have fun exploring with shadows, just like me and my friend here did. Have fun. I hope you enjoy exploring shadows and come back to school and tell me all about what you use to cast shadows on your wall. Thanks for coming and watching. Bye.